What's up guys, Viper FPV here, and today we have our December 2019 FPV crate box. And if you don't already know, you can pretty much sign up for these boxes like Quad Box, FPV crate, and Drone Drop, and pledge I think it's like $40 for the boost box, 40 or $50, and then every month you get like a surprise box of randomly assorted FPV quad stuff. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing of this month's box and to see exactly what we got. Don't forget to go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do these unboxings every month for FPV crate, Quad Box, along with Drone Drop. So let's go ahead and unbox the December 2019 FPV crate. Okay. Alrighty. So it looks like we got our thank you card here. Tells you what you got in the box. Looks like we got a 3-inch crate, so get $10 off a 3-inch limited edition box. Okay. You can use that code if you want. And then we also got my other ride is a drone. That's kind of cool. I like that. Okay. And then we got, looks like we got R42 orange props from HQ. Got 3 sets of those. Oh, got a little bit of hardware here. We got a XT60. We got some standoffs. I wonder if this is, no, well that wouldn't be for this. This would be this separate. I guess some extra parts and a capacitor. That's cool. You can always use this stuff. It looks like for the boost this month, we got ourselves a frame. Looks pretty cool, actually. It's a racing frame. Looks like it's a T-Motor Yema? Yeah, T-Motor Yema racing frame. 5-inch frame, fully covered canopy. Fully covered canopy. Alright. So we'll unbox that in a little bit here. And then it also looks like we got ourselves... It's a lipo bag. Cool. Go use those when you travel. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what this frame looks like. I'm going to go ahead and probably speed it up so then it doesn't take me forever to build it. But we can look at the final result. So that's the T-Motor frame that came with the FPV crate. Looks pretty sweet, actually. I don't see how good this canopy will be since it's like a really stiff plastic, but time will tell. But, yep, that should do it for the FPV crate. So, subscribe if you haven't already. I do these FPV crates unboxings along with Quad Box and Drone Drop. So, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and leave a comment down below what you thought of this month's box. So, see you guys in a future video. Peace.